If you burp within 5 minutes of drinking baking soda and water, here's what it means. Baking soda, you can use this powerful ingredient for almost everything. That's really amazing, right? Well, baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is extremely cheap, but a very powerful ingredient. This ingredient can be used to fight colds and even cancer. You can also use it for oral hygiene, deodorants, etc. Many people around the world use baking soda. You can use this super healthy ingredient to treat and prevent many health problems such as diarrhea prevention, acidity, drug intoxication, metabolic acidosis and peptic ulcer. Baking soda has many antipruritic properties and keeps your skin healthy and glowing. Use it to eliminate plague and colds. You should also know that baking soda contains sodium and can prevent hyperkalemia, kidney stones and infections of the bladder. Relieve heartburn. What causes heartburn? Well, according to the experts, heartburn is usually caused by acid buildup in the stomach. When this acid goes up in the esophagus, a person experiences a burning sensation, a discomfort known as heartburn. Baking soda, which effectively neutralizes the acid at the source, can provide immediate relief. Eliminate UTI. As we said, cancer cells and bacteria thrive in an acidic environment. Well, this means that if you're suffering from UTI, urinary tract infection, you should drink baking soda water on a regular basis until the infection is over. A teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a glass of water will do, but if symptoms persist, you should see your doctor. Relieve gout pain. What's gout? Well, gout is joint inflammation caused by uric acid buildup in your body. You can drink a sodium bicarbonate water mixture to relieve gout pain because it prevents acid accumulation in the body. Neutralize stomach acid. Yes, you got that right. You can use this powerful ingredient to neutralize stomach acid. Restore your pH balance easily by drinking a mixture of half a teaspoon baking soda and 1 cup of water. The body often turns acidic as a result of an unhealthy diet, but baking soda neutralizes this acidity and restores the body's pH. The famous doctor and Nobel Prize winner Otto Warburg has discovered that cancer cells can't survive in an alkaline environment. These cells only thrive in an acidic body. In other words, keeping your body alkaline actually protects your health in general. Reduce symptoms of cold and flu. Many people around the world have used baking soda mixture as a natural medicine against colds and flu. They've used this mixture for a long time. The thing is, baking soda can effectively kill the virus if taken in the early stages of the infection. These are the recommended doses. Day 1, 6 doses of half a teaspoon baking soda mixed with cool water every 2 hours. Day 2, 4 doses of the same mixture every 3 hours. Day 3, 2 doses of the mixture, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. Day 4, 1 dose a day until the symptoms disappear. Relieve kidney stone discomfort. You should be careful because uric acid buildup can be the cause for kidney stones as well. Drinking baking soda water regularly dissolves the stones and prevents the formation of new ones. You should see your doctor before you use this home remedy. Improve physical performance. Among other things, baking soda water can also improve physical performance because the alkalinity of the sodium bicarbonate reduces the levels of lactic acid produced by the muscles, thus allowing harder and longer training. This is a test for low stomach acid. Here's what you need to know. Well, the stomach produces hydrochloric acid or HCl as an aid to digestion. HCl is needed to break down proteins into essential amino acids, motivate the pancreas and prevent disease by killing harmful bacteria. Low HCl can cause a variety of gastric problems, including heartburn, indigestion, constipation and bloating. Note, to test your stomach acid level, there are methods you can try at home. The most accurate methods, however, involve laboratory tests ordered by your physician. Conduct an at-home test to see if your HCl is low. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in an 8-ounce glass of cold water. Drink the baking soda and water mixture first thing in the morning before eating or drinking anything. Time how long it takes to belch. After drinking the mixture, you should belch within 2 to 3 minutes. If your HCl is adequate,